Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Toribongolan. On this video, I will walk you through the Google's AI chatbot. This is known to be the first conversational chatbot that can help business process outsourcing businesses in many ways. This will surely defeat Microsoft's AI called ChatGPT.
Google AI's BARD, the hype and reality. Google's AI division has recently released a new language model called BARD. BARD is an acronym for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. The release of this model has generated a lot of buzz and excitement in the AI community, with many people hailing BARD as a breakthrough in language processing and a major step forward for AI technology. BARD is based on the Transformer architecture, which is widely used in NLP, natural language processing, tasks. Unlike traditional language models, which process language in a linear fashion, BARD uses a bidirectional approach, allowing it to take into account the context of words both before and after the target word, thereby enabling it to better understand the meaning of words in context. The results of BARD have been impressive, with the model achieving state-of-the-art performance on a number of benchmark datasets. It is widely believed that BARD has the potential to revolutionize the field of NLP, by improving the accuracy of language processing and enabling new applications that were previously not possible. However, despite all the hype, it is important to remember that BARD is just one step in the ongoing development of AI technology. While it is a significant step forward, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome in order to bring AI to its full potential. For example, language models like BARD still struggle with understanding the meaning of words in context, and they have difficulty dealing with ambiguity and sarcasm. In addition, while BARD has the potential to greatly improve the accuracy of NLP tasks, it is not a silver bullet that will solve all of the challenges in this field. There is still a long way to go in the development of AI technology, and many other factors, such as the availability of large amounts of high-quality training data and the development of new algorithms, will play a significant role in determining the future of AI. In conclusion, the release of BARD is an exciting development in the field of AI and has generated a lot of hype and excitement. While BARD is a significant step forward, it is important to keep in mind that it is just one piece of the puzzle in the ongoing development of AI technology. The future of AI will be determined by many factors, including the development of new algorithms, the availability of large amounts of high-quality training data, and the ability to overcome the challenges of NLP. Google's BARD is said to be the breakthrough in AI revolution and is expected to be integrated in business processing outsourcing businesses or in businesses. The integration of Google's BARD is expected to replace human customer service representatives because users and/or customers can directly talk to this so-called conversational AI. This conversational AI is expected to replace chat and voice support representative. There are customers who want an immediate response. Human answers to customers are based from the knowledge and information taught by their team leaders. Training team is important in BPO because they should have a wide range of information about the business they are supporting. BPO are using Medalla to capture the actual conversation between a customer contact representative and the customers. Utilizing the information stored or captured by Medalla can help BPO understand customers' concerns and reasons for reaching support. Training team can use this information in building modular courses for their support representatives. In this way, customer contact representative can able to learn all aspects of the business they are supporting, thus they can able to answer customers' questions and inquiry. Thus, if in case, Google AI's BARD can be integrated in BPO, they can no longer build or design a course for their representative. Instead, they can just train this chatbot to understand all data collected from customers. Conversational AI is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on building systems that can interact with people using natural language. It aims to create human-like conversational experiences between users and AI-powered virtual assistants, chatbots, and voice assistants. Conversational AI systems can be integrated into a variety of applications, including customer service, e-commerce, and entertainment. They can assist with tasks such as answering questions, providing recommendations, and handling transactions. The goal of conversational AI is to make it easier for people to interact with technology and automate routine tasks. Conversational AI systems use technologies such as natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, and deep learning to understand and respond to user requests. They are trained on large datasets of human-generated language to learn the patterns and context that are used in human conversation. This enables them to understand user requests, provide relevant information, and generate appropriate responses. Conversational AI is becoming increasingly popular as companies look for ways to improve customer engagement and streamline customer service operations. By using conversational AI, businesses can offer customers a more personalized and efficient experience, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. But this is the sad reality that I observed so far. Google's AI called BARD is not available yet as of this writing. But OpenAI has now launched their conversational AI where users can just talk and speak. There is no need for the customers to chat their concerns or problems. They can just speak with the chatbot.